Hey guys, luto naman tayo ng porridge datin dyan. So, ang technique na masarap guys, i-grill natin yung tomato after i-toppings natin. Ayan yung porridge datin dyan natin, already done. With the grill datin dyan, eggplant. This is so yummy. Guys, so yummy and delicious. God bless. Only I put salt, black pepper, coriander powder, curry powder, turmeric, paprika, and salt. Only the ingredient, that is only the ingredients. And we are saute onion and garlic. That is, we will put also for the last tomato paste. So it looks delicious.